Hi, I'm Ian from Impact Off-Road, and I'm standing in front of this amazing ATV from the Ukraine called the SHERP. You would have seen a post a little while ago with me driving it in a peat pit, as we call it, that we've got and built out the back, and we're going to be making that a little bit bigger. But today we're going to go into a pond. So what we're going to do is show you some footage from the inside as I'm driving and also from the outside, and we're going to do this with and without the trailer which floats on behind. So come on for the ride, and if you want to have a look at a SHERP more closely, give us a bell and book your demo.
Наверное, уже заходит, я так не знаю,